Welcome back to Rami's Bar. Today we're going to be doing two drinks. The first one is going to be called Welcome back to Rami's Bar. Today we're going to be doing two drinks. The first one is called the Espresso Martini and the second one is called El-Jefe, the boss. And for both drinks, we're going to be using the same base material. First one is our cold brew coffee made by the beans from Colectivo Coffee Shop, one of my favorite coffee shops out there. And the second thing is the Mr. Black coffee liqueur. I absolutely love this coffee liqueur just because it's not as sweet as the other coffee liqueurs out there. And I'm not one for very sweet drinks. Quick shout out to Reverb for providing the soundtrack for this video. Very awesome soundtrack. Please check him out. I got his SoundCloud account link in the description below. And then don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with all you coffee lovers because they're going to absolutely love you for these drinks. Oh, one more thing. We're going to be doing tastings at the end, and my producer slash fiance, who's behind the cameras right now, is going to be doing the tasting. So let's see how she holds up with two cameras pointing to her face. Let's do this. The Espresso Martini, like I said before, it's a very simple drink, but it's a very elegant drink. For this one, we're going to need 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of Mr. Black, and 1 ounce of your cold brew coffee. Then we're going to add our ice, and then we're going to have to shake really well because we need that foam at the very top. So this is going to take a minute. All right, once you're done shaking, you should get this nice foam the top, and then we're gonna have to double strain our drink into a martini glass. Of course, we've done this before in our watermelon mint cooler drink. Please go check it out. That's the foam I'm talking about. When that's done, you're gonna garnish that with 3 beans, and there you have it, the Espresso Martini. Now for the El-Jefe. Alright, now that we have the Espresso Martini done, time to do the El-Jefe. The El-Jefe is a little bit more difficult because it's called the boss, right? So the first thing we're going to need is your tequila. Typically it calls out for Reposado Tequila, but I'm using Dwayne The Rock Johnson's Tequila, Blanco Tequila. We've used the same tequila in the Sugar-Free Paloma and the Watermelon Mint Cooler. Go check those out. Pretty awesome, healthy drinks. We're going to also need 2/3 of an ounce of your Mr. Black coffee liqueur, and then 1 ounce of your cold brew coffee, and then 1/3 of an ounce of your 1-to-1 honey syrup, which you can easily make at home. All you need is 1 part honey and 1 part water. And then we're going to add our ice and mix that together. We're going to mix really well, the same thing that we did with the other drink, just because we need that foam at the very top. Once you're done, you're going to make sure that you have this nice foam at the top. And then we're going to double strain our drink into a nice quick glass, just like we did in the previous drink. And then we're going to garnish our drink with 3 coffee beans. And there you have it, the El-Jefe. Time for the tasting. So now that we have both drinks ready, it's time for the tasting, and let's see how my producer faces the 2 cameras. So what do you feel right now?
I'm very nervous.
Alright, so for this, what you're going to do is you're going to have a taste of the Espresso Martini and then a taste of the El-Jefe. And then you're going to tell us exactly which one you like more, and just one reason as to why, so that the viewers know which one they prefer.
Okay.
So we're starting off with the Espresso Martini. Look at that tension. Look at that build up. Okay. You can't tell me your judgment yet, so we're gonna try the El-Jefe. Drum roll. And
So I like them both, but I think I prefer the El-Jefe.
and why is that?
I could definitely taste the honey, and feels more flavorful.
Okay.
Where the martini is a little bit more simple, I would definitely have that with more like food, like in brunch. And your El-Jefe is more, for me at least, it's more like a dessert.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. The El-Jefe wins this round. So our producer loved the El-Jefe more. I'd like to know which one you think you'd like more down in the description below, and please don't forget to share this video with your coffee lovers. Cheers. Wow, that is good.